Hey, welcome to the show. Today in the show, we're going to be talking about the new phone case from RomeTech. This is for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. We're going to tell you all about it. Stay tuned. All right, welcome back. Let's take a look at the RomeTech case for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It comes in a package like this right here. You'll go ahead and open that up. And this is what you're going to get. Right away you'll see that it has a kickstand here. A lot of phones will have the a place that you stick your fingernail in the top here. This has two little openings on the side here that you can just slip your fingers in, pull that out, and click it into place. So you can see it stands up really nice. Also, you'll notice that it has a belt clip. This belt clip is really heavy duty. You can hear it. It really snaps in place. So let's go ahead and open this. It comes in two pieces, so it kind of slides like this. All right, so you just take that out, and you'll see what's on the inside here. This is kind of a harder texture right here. The whole case is a hard texture. You can hear that. All right, there's no soft texture. It's just all hard texture. But on the inside of this, there is a very soft fabric, so that way your phone won't scratch there. This is a dummy unit that I got from last year. I don't have the dummy units for the Galaxy S23 Ultra yet, or my phone. It should be coming in a couple weeks, so pretty excited about that. So make sure you check out my videos, subscribe so you don't miss one exciting episode. But let's just go ahead and put this dummy unit in. Like I said, this does not supposed to match up. It just kind of gives you a general idea. So you can see right here. Look at that. Look at that nice beveled edge around the side here. So you got a nice beveled edge. This is kind of a nice grip feeling, so it won't slip out of your hands. And then you'll just slide this right into the other part here. Here you'll see that all this part is open, and also on the back side right there. So it doesn't cover up here. Leaves that all open for these ports. So it's kind of cool. I like that. I like the feel of this. Slides nice, out of the case here, out of this protective case. Does a good job of that. And really like that beveled edge. So that's really cool. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. I will have a description where you can find this on Amazon. Make sure you subscribe because you're not going to want to miss one exciting show. And I'm going to have a lot of other videos, Lucas, on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Plus, I have tons of other videos on other phones. We have an amazing channel out there, so you got to check it out.
Hit the subscribe button.
Hit the subscribe button. Send us cookies. Hit that likey button. And like always, have a fun day. Adios. Goodbye.